Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, my dear Vascular colleague. I thought to share with you my trip to the Royal College of England, Royal College of Surgeon of England. Here you can see is the building, and this is the front of the building, which did not affect by the bombing of the Second World War, but they have built a new floor up, and these are offices of members of the Royal College. And as you all know, there are 23 Royal Colleges in the United Kingdom. The oldest is Royal College of Physician, which is 500 years old. Our Royal College was built in 1800, but Royal College of Surgeon of England. But this is the only Royal College which did not change its place. From start in 1800, it was in the Lincoln Inn Field, London. The nearest underground train station is Holborn, and here as you go through the gate, if you go through the gate, you see the logo of the Royal College of Surgeons of England. And when you go to the entrance, this building have refurbished 3 years ago. I think it cost something like 200 million pounds, which was quite a lot, but it's really worth preserving it. They have preserved the front. You can see these 6 pillars. These 6 pillars, they haven't been changed, but the Hunter Museum have completely bombarded, and Hunter used to put things in his museum in formalin, which is inflammable. So I will go through the gate. Okay. As you can see, I'm inside the building now. So they have put in front of the building Da Vinci robotic machine, and you can see it here. Which is a sign that they accommodate all the recent art of surgery. Here is the John Hunter monument. I like the John Hunter monument because really you can see he's thinking deeply, and he is reading a book, and I think this is what have changed really surgeon, reading a lot, thinking about the best way of managing your patient. All this is you can see here behind me all the president of the Royal College. I was a registrar of one of the presidents of the Royal College, which is Professor John Black. Yeah, this is Professor John Black, which was my consultant in Worcester Royal Infirmary. So here is the second floor, and you can see candidate of MRCS exam waiting for the examination. And here is just a look around of the second floor. Here is the Royal College of Surgeons Court of Examiner 2022. And here is the monument. And that's it. Wish you a nice day.